Our next problem is a typical problem of locus. We need to find the locus of the foot of perpendicular from the center of the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 to any tangent made at any point on the hyperbola, and we need to prove that it is equal to x square by plus y square whole square is equal to a square x square minus b square y square. Starting by making the figure, if this is any point P at which a tangent is made, a perpendicular is dropped from center C on this tangent. We need to find the locus of the foot of perpendicular on the tangent h comma a. Now any tangent to x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 is given by x sec theta by a minus y tan theta by b is equal to 1. We can very clearly see that the slope of this tangent is b sec theta upon a tan theta. So let us call this point P and this is R. So slope of CR will be equal to negative reciprocal of this, that is minus a tan theta upon b sec theta, and it is passing through the origin. So equation of CR can be written as y is equal to mx, that is y is equal to minus a tan theta by b sec theta. And since the point R, that is h comma k, is satisfying this equation, we have k is equal to minus a sin theta upon b cos theta and sec theta cancels. This is the equation of CR and this is the equation of the tangent, and we need to find the point of intersection locus, that is the locus of R. Hence, putting the value of sin theta, this is the value of sin theta, that is equal to minus kb upon a, or rather this is equal to y is equal to minus a tan theta upon b sec theta into x. So this becomes k is equal to minus a sin theta by b into x. This is y is equal to mx, and we found the slope to be equal to negative reciprocal of the slope of the tangent, so is equal to y is equal to m into x. So this becomes k is equal to minus a sin theta by b into h, and hence our value of sin theta comes out to be equal to minus kb upon ah. So the value of cos theta comes out to be equal to 1 minus sin square theta under root, that is a square h square minus b square k square under root upon ah, and hence the value of tan theta comes out to be equal to sin theta by cos theta, that is minus kb upon under root of a square h square minus b square k square. Now since h comma k, that is the point of intersection of CR and the tangent, is also satisfying the tangent, so this is equal to h sec theta by a minus k tan theta by b is equal to 1. Since the point R, which is the foot of perpendicular from the center, is also satisfying the tangent. Now putting the value of sec theta and tan theta, from over here we get h by a into sec theta, which is ah upon under root of a square h square minus b square k square minus k by b times tan theta, and tan theta is equal to minus kb upon under root of a square h square minus b square k square is equal to 1. Here a and a cancels, b and b cancels, and we get h square plus k square is equal to under root of a square h square minus b square k square. Now squaring both the sides and replacing h by x and k by y as we do in questions of locus, we get x square plus y square whole square is equal to a square x square minus b square y square, and this was the result that we needed to prove. Hence in this problem we saw that it was not a very difficult problem. It just involved the concept of the tangent to a hyperbola and we needed to find the locus of the foot of the perpendicular from center on this tangent, which came out to be equal to x square plus y square whole square is equal to a square x square minus b square y square, and this is our final answer.